It started off really good, first 2 rounds, sharp on the jab, keeping the guy away. He came strong last round, and today just feeling really drained, so I had to step it up a few gears and really push myself for the victory. Just knew that the guy is strong, you know, he comes forward a lot, he's fit, he's got a really good record, and I knew it'd be quite an obstacle, but I knew I'd be more skilled, more powerful than him, and I took it away from him. It's our first national title, our first year, first entry into books. This guy's already won 3 national titles, 3 books titles, so it was good to take away the last one from him. At the moment, just taking it a step at a time. Soon, hopefully, boxing for England. ABAs this year, get a gold in that. That's my dream at the moment. We get that gold, can start thinking about Olympics and greater things. I mean, it's a great confidence booster, great experience. You know, getting this national title means a lot to me, and hopefully ABAs will follow up with a gold.